Alright, yo, welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Shenseea have dropped a new video, and me personally think Shenseea have good vocals. I think Shenseea have a beautiful, beautiful presentation when it comes to her music and her physical appearance, of course.
Boy, if you don't get
But however, she dropped a new song, and we'll give the honest review about the song. We're not gonna be a hypocrite. We're gonna tell the honest truth about the music. So, make we dive into it. It is called, what's it called? Love Season, Mating Season, or something like that. Hold on there. Let me look on it right now. Hold on there. Make me see what Shenseea call this song you cause. Like me tell you no, me not gonna come over here, come go no review unless me review the music with Uno. As me see it, me come, record it, bring it to you. So anything where you see me put on this, it's not a pre-record or whatever. Like me never go look on the video then come go on an honest review. Me I go to the review in at the moment. You see me? It's called Dating Season. So with all that is said, let's jump into it. Watch you now. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, of course. If you don't like, comment, and subscribe, you a hoe. I'm just joking. So make we see what going over here, so.
Hi, Billion.
Hey, beautiful. You got the gifts I sent you?
I did. I'm actually eating them right now.
You eating roses now?
Roses? I said I'm treating them right now.
You already know your accent, we don't.
Alright, first thing first. Them get a liar. See? Shenseea, hold on there. Yeah, make me have to drink some tea to blood class. Shenseea, I tell the girl them to cheat already, you know, Shenseea. That me I tell you, you know. I lie, I tell the man on the phone right there. So, everybody see that. Clear as day, you tell lie. Hold on there.
I'm actually going to go into a meeting, so I'm going to call you right back. Hold on.
Huh? Hello?
Hi, Charles.
Bumbo clad and girl again. Hold on there. Hold on there. She just say hi Charles a while ago. Is a different man Shenseea on the phone with? Hold on.
Oh, Shenseea. Ah, yeah. Me and date two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in a...
Shenseea, come on, man. What kind of example you set for youths them, Shenseea? Shenseea, right now you make man traumatized, you know, Shenseea. Man, traumatized right now. Because anything you say them girl, I gotta start pick up on them and think it's okay if you do, you know. When I feel members of Shenseea have money, you guys don't.
Problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want.
May I use that? Anytime I cheat on my own, I tell her, say, I not cheat, me I date by law. Simple as that. Thank you, Shenseea.
Me and you, the devil love you, can't give me no talk. Just I be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's a your fault. You know, say it might sound crazy, but tell me, pick you have a share me. You want know me, man. When I have to explain, when I no obligation. Journey may be slow, but make sure say I the one. So me have couple of money in a rotation. All my names, them off of mates. Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you get elect. But if you want go, baby.
Yo, Shenseea, pretty, you know, brother. You know why Jay Freddy freeze up in there, brother. Because right now, me I tell her, say, boy, if me there for Shenseea, me I just look to you. That me I tell her. Me I just depend. You see me? Yeah, man, Shenseea pretty, man. You can't deny that.
Have two people I ring my phone line, and I ask when we a go spend time. Me I play two sides at the same time. Me just a mingle, baby got me outside. Seeing two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you, the devil love you, can't give me no talk. Me just to be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's a your fault. I know I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me. This is just a warm up. You either complete or give it all up. Me no promiscuous, just not get stuck. This a girl a head smart, she not get caught up too quick. Take my time, no rush. No take my go and call you up so you don't judge. No boy, your life can't pass up. So till the day my mind made up all day. Two people at the same time. I feel weigh my options. Playing both sides at the same time. I end up in a some problems. And I cheat, me I cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and none of them love you can't give.
When you Shenseea say, if me get up, me not get up raw. So that means any man share ready if you have a condom. Youths, and if you use on the boots, see me? Youths, use your boots. Because you don't know what them girls out you have. Females, make sure you say you're right with your condom. You understand me? Because you don't know what them youth you out you have. You don't have to talk. You don't have to talk the truth. You see me? You don't have to talk the truth. Female using the boots. Youths riding on the boots. See me? Because out the road right now, rough and tough. You don't know who I do and enough love the upper kissy business either too, you know, that me I tell you, because some of them people out there with them mouth wicked in a brother. You see me? Yeah, man.
Just to be myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then better your fault.
Bumbo, yo, then catch your blood clot.
You know I say it might sound crazy, but till my pick you have to share me, share me.
Yeah, I'm not fight over no woman still, you know. You see, man, I push. You see, for me, I catch all my woman with the next man, brother. I just walk in, brother. I think I tell me I fight no man, brother, for no woman, brother. You're mad, brother. I not fight no woman, brother. I not fight no man for no woman, brother. Straight.
I just getting
Yo, the man say, yo, you pay bill now, man. Man say, oh, you all that. Alright, hold on there. Before, let me big up myself on the screen now. Before we even go in that video, here what? Personally, the video was a well put together video. The acting part at the beginning, right now, Shenseea can go act. Because that was phenomenal. You see me? That was great. That was a great acting scene. Me personally think she did very well. The music itself, the beat, the lyrics, how the song is put together, may I give it a 9 out of 10. You see me? May I give it a 9 out of 10. Now listen, the reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 is because I think it could have a little bit more to it. You see me? And we're just critiquing the song. We're not saying that that should have happened or that she should have done, because at the moment, you don't know what the producer, the engineer, and you know what she are put into the song. See me? So personally, I think the song could have get a little bit more, you know, a little bit more of a storyline. And me personally think say the song was put together well. I just give it a 9 out of 10 because I think say she could have done a little bit more with the storyline. But however, the video add up for the storyline, if that makes sense. You see me? But give it a 9 out of 10. Shenseea, people say Shenseea fall off of the map in a sense when it comes to dancehall music. But personally, bro, I don't believe that. I think Shenseea do very well. If I look on Shenseea catalog right now, Shenseea have a lot of collabs, a lot of big artists. And if I understand, say, Jamaican music, or if you keep your music within the parameters of just Jamaica, or you say, yo, you can't think say you're gonna be successful just by running your music in a Jamaica. It is sad, but it not gonna happen. You see me? It not gonna happen. If you look upon Afrobeats, Africa is a continent by itself. Jamaica is just a little country. You see me? So you cannot compare the two in terms of stream, in terms of all that, because Africa, I get stream from Africa itself, from Europe, from Jamaicans, from Americans, from all over the world. You see me? So you can't really compare Jamaica with them. Yeah, we look about we tell them our music is spread globally, and our music influence a lot of genres now. But however, you on an Afro branch out, and I think of that Shenseea. The Shenseea branch out to the American scene, and she also branch out to the Afrobeat scene because she and Wizkid have a song as well. You understand me? So you can't really bash her and say, oh, this, oh, that, and yada, 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 yada. Yeah, she kind of just up and left. And people say she says some things about Jamaica. Well, bro, really and truly, bro, Jamaica people, one track minded, bro. You see me? And one track minded. You get me? And you can't bash her for that because she literally try get her music out there. And I remember say she try think outside of the box. She try make the money come in and look on it. Enough artists there in Jamaica right now, we bust before Shenseea, and them don't have the catalog of music or the financial aspect of what Shenseea have right now. So we have to big her up for that. She do a great job. I think the song was well put together, but like me say, me feel like lyrically it could have been a little better. Now, if you wanna like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Don't give me no chat. Don't come back over here. So if you don't subscribe over here, so we're gonna start with the baddest review them when it comes to music. I wanna go just stick to Jamaican music. Yes, that is our catalog, but we are going to stick to, good music, proper music. So with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you in the next one.